Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply the awesome fragment clone effect in CapCut. So in here, I've already add a video, and first before adding the fragment clone, I'm going to add the halo blur effect. So go to the video effect, opening and closing, and find this halo blur. Click on the check icon. I'm going to make it short and then move forward a bit. Here I'm going to add the fragment clone, so find it on the body effect, click on clone. Here find the fragment clone effect, this one. Click on the effect, wait for it to apply to your clip, click on the check icon, and you'll be done. So this is the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.